So I've been watching a lot of Hulu lately, and it feels like every other commercial is some sort of pharmaceutical BS pill that they're just trying to shove down your throat. And to be perfectly honest, I don't believe that should even be legal. It's something it's something that's been irritating me, but hopefully it's been irritating more than just me. Companies will advertise to you about, oh, you're not sleeping very well. Here, take this pill, whatever it is, and it will help you sleep better. But then they list 50 million frickin' side effects that are much worse than not being able to sleep. Like, I don't know, anywhere from leaking out of somewhere to death. Why is it that we let marketing companies dictate what is good for our health? These aren't doctors that are telling us about this. These are people who went to marketing school and people who got degrees in marketing. How is that? What do they know about us? What do they know about the human body in general? It's not like they have a medical degree. You know who does have a medical degree? Doctors. Doctors are the ones that should be prescribing and telling us what it is that we should have. What should we take to make ourselves feel better? Not commercials in between my goddamn SVU sessions. And the worst part about all of that, I mean, yes, they're directly advertising to the public, but the fact that they are also making an incentive for doctors to prescribe these medications over something that is A, cheaper, or B, more effective. Hospitals get bonuses depending on how much they prescribe of X pill. Like, that is a thing. Like, that... How is that legal? Pharmaceutical drugs are good. I'm not against that. I'm not this, like, we should be doing herbal tea. No. I get the need for these drugs. But I feel like they're now no longer in the best interest of the public. They are doing it for their money, and they're doing it for their shareholders. And that's not okay anymore. When you provide a health service and you're no longer focused on what the patient's best health would be, there's a problem. These companies are making billions off of treating people, and they don't make jack off of curing. Like, let's be perfectly honest here. Let's say you're a pharmaceutical company and you find the cure for HIV. You find the cure for HIV. Guess what? You're not going to make that much money off of it. Sell it to the people who have it, and they're going to take the dosages to get cured, and then that's it. They're done. There's nothing more. You don't have to purchase anything from them ever again for that. They wouldn't want to do that. They want to have you as a repeat customer, because that's how they view you. They don't view you as a patient. They view you as a customer. So all of a sudden, they treat your symptoms, and they treat it continuously over and over, and they make billions. That's the way companies work. They're trying to make this profit for their shareholders, for their employees, for their higher-ups. Like, and pharmaceuticals shouldn't be a company, but I don't understand. I don't know. I don't have an answer to what it should be. We need to find a way to make it more appealing for companies to cure things than it is for them to treat them. I have an idea about what one potential solution could be, and that is to limit the number of testing, limit the amount of people that a pharmaceutical company can test. Put a government restriction so that they can't test anyone, anywhere, whenever they please. It's just, when you limit that number, all of a sudden, they can't test for all of the bullshit. All of a sudden, they all might I mean, I could be totally wrong, and these companies could go right for it and be like, oh, we can't test these cures now because there's a limit on that. There's that equal chance, but it's something, anything. We need something to change the way that pharmaceutical companies look at what they make. We need to make it so that they're not focused on their profit. If you let the free market dictate pharmaceuticals, then all they're going to look for is what makes the most money, not what is best for the patient. And that's when it's a very gray area, and it's disgusting that we've let it go on for as long as it has. I don't know. That's my random tangent for today. There needs to be something. I don't know.